Paris Saint-Germain of Ligue 1 has had an incredible week. The French football team has been connected to another Air Jordan 6 partnership in addition to defeating Inter Milan in the 2025 UEFA Champions League Final. According to the report, which was shared by SneakerFiles and ex-user SneakerHeadz, the pair will be released in conjunction with the 35th anniversary of the 6th Air Jordan model the following year. Maybe influenced by PSG's cutlery over the years, the upcoming project will have an eye-catching metallic silver, pure platinum, oil grey color palette. The ancient French club has previously worked on the various trim levels of the AJ6, choosing elegant looks that are emblazoned with touches that its supporters would recognize right away. It should be the same with the metallic silver throwback. Watch this space for official PSG x Jordan 6 images and official Nike.com Jordan launch details. It is anticipated that pairs will be available for purchase in the spring of 2026.